It's Friday night.
Mommy, not in my car. Not in my
You're
car.
going on YouTube.
You're deleting that. You're
Looking
deleting
like
that. You're
this.
deleting that.
I'm not deleting it.
Mommy, stop. Not in my car.
And you're coming out again? Talk to other people. This is like raw and real. I said that in the other vlog. Like, this is us, y'all. This is us home, but this is us home on a... But we're home on a Friday
Mommy,
night.
stop. Delete it. Delete
Friday
it.
night.
Delete it.
Welcome to another
Mommy,
vlog,
not in my bonnet.
guys. The vlog start. The vlog start. I wasn't gonna vlog, and then she was like, "We actually look pretty." So I was like, "Pick up yourself, Kayla. Let's start the vlog then, eh?"
No,
Yeah.
please.
Privy. Oh, the vlog is starting over.
Please.
All right, come show the people. Come show the people. Hey guys, I'm gonna say the same way. This is where the vlog starts. Welcome to another vlog. This is where ShéKayla thinks the vlog is gonna start, but this is actually a continuation. What's up, you guys? We have a lot going on tonight. It's Friday night. We're well excited. ShéKayla, you excited? Guys, River is 5 months old. He's 5 months old. I didn't vlog today at all because
For the viewers.
What's that?
Belly.
ShéKayla,
For the viewers.
I'm
Mommy.
telling him about River being 5 months old. Don't ruin his moment.
For the viewers.
I'm not putting that on.
For the viewers.
ShéKayla, I'm not putting that on. No,
For the
I have
viewers.
no, because I have a thing on my head.
Mommy,
You
for
could
the
put it on. I'm
viewers.
not gonna look like no bank robber.
No, for the viewers. For
No.
the viewers.
No, they know that that's not me. I would never buy such a thing. Guys, yeah, River is 5 months old today. Should I vlog on my camera? Or should I just keep vlogging on my phone? Y'all can see me, right? Yeah. Look at River. Yeah, so he's 5 months today, y'all. Yay, Rivy. Riv. Hey, you're 5 months. You tell them? Turn this off. You tell them that you're 5 months old? Hi. I'm gonna insert a video of you and what you did today. Guys, River is, let me see if I could turn up this light on this phone. That's the thing, the camera does have better lighting. I'm going to insert the clip now. Y'all could see what River did today. Y'all, sorry that my hair looks so, but I'm home. It's Friday night and I haven't been feeling well. I'm just starting to get a little better ever since we went out to Westfield. I don't know, I think I got something from somebody because I'm the only one in the house that got a cold. River doesn't have a cold. ShéKayla, Sean, I think Sean is like developing the symptoms now. I took a COVID test as well and that's negative, so I'm good. But my throat was on fire. I was stuffy, head cold, coughing and stuff like that. And only today, like, I feel a little better. But anyways, let me insert the clip of what River did today. And then I'll come back to you guys. My goodness, River, what you doing there? Guys, I left River here. Why are you over there, Riv? Huh? Right? I stopped that recording early because obviously that edge is so sharp and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so dangerous that he ended up there because he could actually hit his face on that, because usually when he's on the mat we're always out here with him. But today it was just him and I went to the bathroom. I went to the toilet and I was only gone for like a few minutes, and it's like I was not expecting River to reach that way because if you see, normally I put him, his feet is on the piano bit kicking. So if you go back, you will see where the piano is, and then his head is facing the other direction. And I was like, what in the world? So I just had to record it, and I recorded it because I wanted to show you guys, and I actually sent it to Sean as well. Because I know that's something that would have been like, nah, I don't believe that he reached there. The gas station. Of course, I started a vlog. Yeah, so he's getting big. He's 5 months old. Today. If y'all ain't following him on Instagram, still please go and do so because we're going to post his 5-month picture on Instagram. Say hi, Sean. Sean stuffing him out with a nice English donut. Do you like the donut? It's got jam in it. Alright, calm down. It's more like kind of like Johnny, like kind of heavy, not sure. Yeah, It's not no Krispy Kreme. They'll kind of be like light, but I like these ones though. These are nice. They're nice. I like them. I just don't like the sugar. I hate, like, I realize that here they love to put sugar on cake, sugar on dough, like sugar. I'm not a big fan of like actual sugar being on it. But anyways, y'all, tonight we got big things going on.
Breastfeeding.
I can't drink when you breastfeed. I just feed River, and River won't be eating till like some hours from now. Guys, you know that, right? People would say you can't have alcohol once you're breastfeeding, but that's absolutely untrue. You can have alcohol, but you have to have a certain amount of hours before you breastfeed again. So I just fed River a mouthful, and he ain't gonna be ready for the next 3-4 hours. Look what we got going on. Whoop whoop. So we got some stone ginger wine. Sean, I haven't had this in a very long time. Red Label wine is my favorite. It's a Jamaican wine from Ray and Nephew. Is this from Jamaica as well? No. Is it?
I don't know, but
Stone ginger wine, is it? And then, oh, this is nice. This is what you bought the other night for us, right?
No.
This, no?
A couple of years ago, yes.
The Lambrini?
I bought it before, but
Oh, it wasn't what we drink the other night?
No.
Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna like this. This is lightly sparkling fruit wine,
we've had
cherry.
it before. I bought it before.
I got hearts on it. Oh my goodness, guys, what is this occasion? It's just a Friday. It's just a Friday thing.
That's a Friday thing. That's it.
We celebrating River reach 5 months, so we're having a party
River 5 months.
today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't that what we celebrating?
No.
We're not celebrating that.
No.
Anyways, guys, we have great news. Sean has been doing exceptionally well at work, right? So, you know, he has had a really nice reward. So to celebrate that, we are having a nice little Friday night. Okay, big things happening. Yes, so yay to Sean. Well done, baby. I have a cold. Anyway, you getting a little itchy throat, so I could kiss you on your cheek. No. Yeah, but your throat a little scratching now, so I could kiss you on your cheek. Because you can't get the cold again, can you? If you're already getting it.
But I don't know what kind of cold you have.
I don't have COVID though, because I took a test. I'll tell you that. Don't want to take no test today, but I feel a lot better. Sean, I was feeling very crappy today. You could still kind of hear it in my voice, no? I actually slept, and like all afternoon, River and I were actually like running like kind of late for ShéKayla. We rushed out the house. Oh, and today as well, Sean, y'all saw my previous vlog, right? Today now is like the very first day Sean officially started like just driving himself to work, not me in the car. So he has control of like the other car now, and he's driving that to work. And so no more like, I wanted to drop him off since it's Friday. I was like, Sean, you might as well just let me continue just dropping you off and picking you up, like it's just one day. He's like, nah, starts tomorrow, which is today. Don't need you to drop me off. I was like, I feel used. Like you don't need me no more. So yeah, he got to work, didn't text me when he arrived to let me know he was safe, which was like, don't do that again.
I arrived right when I'm supposed to start.
Yeah, but you're still supposed to text me or send me a quick voice note or something, because them things would have me like worried when I can't get in contact with you and I don't know that you reach safe, you know, and you drive all that way by yourself. Don't tell me to relax. So anyways, he made it home and he brought, you know, liquor for us to celebrate, you know, and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do. That's how we're spending our Friday night. All right, so thank you guys. So no, I'm not thanking for thanking. I'm gonna think the video done, right? Anyways, if you're new to the channel, I'm SK, because I didn't even like officially like do my proper little welcome like I usually do, but I'm SK. The guy in the video a few minutes ago, that's my hubby Sean. He's eating right now, so I won't put the camera back. Oh, you don't like the term hubby? My hubby? Oh, hubby is for when it's not real? That's my husband Sean. Okay, that's my husband. And the little mad girl, you see, the little mad girl. not gal. You saw in the earlier clip is ShéKayla. That's my daughter. She's 12. And you have little River on his playmat. He's 5 months old today. This is Life with SK. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, y'all, if y'all new. Like the video, comment down below. Congratulations, big up River, all that stuff. Follow me on Instagram, SKayla, Facebook, Life with SK. See it right down the screen. Go ahead and do that. Follow me right now. All right. So I don't know. I might show you guys when we're like pouring it up and whatever. But if not, I'll probably come back to you guys tomorrow. Probably not. Probably not what? But should I be pouring it up? So we're gonna watch a movie as well, right, Sean? Oh, we watched another movie last night called, what was that movie, Sean?
Some sniper.
Sniper Final. Oh my gosh, what's it called? Something with a sniper. I'll put it on, but it was nice. It was alright. It's not a brand new movie though.
It was a good movie.
It was a good movie. So if y'all like stuff like that, snipers and shooting and you know, like the drug cartel and whatever, y'all could go and watch that on Netflix. I'll put it on the screen because I can't remember. It named Sniper, but there's something else because there's a lot of different sniper movies. But anyways, I'll put it on the screen for you guys so you guys can go and check that out. Alright, okay, so I'll come back to you guys in a second. Round one. Sean said this is round one, y'all. Tell me to guess which one this is. Which one y'all think this is based on the 3 bottles that I showed you guys? Comment down below. I think he did a little mixeroo. I think this is stone ginger wine and the other cherry whatever, because I don't taste the strong stone. Okay. So it's a nice blend though. Did you know that they could go together?
You're wrong as well. You're wrong.
Oh wait, no. It's Coke and ginger wine.
You're wrong. Does this look like Coke?
Oh, apple juice.
You're wrong again.
What is it then? Anyways, come cheers, man. Then tell me what we're drinking. Cheers.
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 It's 7-Up.
You bought 7-Up? I didn't see any 7-Up.
Yeah, I bought 7-Up.
I didn't see any 7-Up.
I bought 7-Up.
Anywho, Shawnee, bring up your glass.
Boring night.
It's not boring for me though, Sean. It's not boring. Anyways,
boring life.
Our boring. This is not boring life. It's not boring. This boring. This ain't boring. We're having a glass of some stone ginger wine. Pick up yourself, Sean. Congratulations. Huge congrats to you guys. I know Sean feel really good and I feel really good too. Right, River, you feel good too? Yeah? I feel really proud of Sean. Well done, babe. You've been in the UK. Yesterday made actually 3 months. You realize that? Jeez. Yesterday marks 3 months that Sean has been here. Another milestone. 3 months. Wow. Look at you. What you doing in England for 3 months? You've never been here that long. 3 months and I feel like we've accomplished a whole lot. And this is only the beginning. So I'm looking. Sean, but how you finished that and I'm toasting?
You gonna drink to that?
No, but I ain't done. I'm bigging you up. I'm saying what we accomplished so far and you done.
Can't drink to that. We'll drink to that. What else?
Give me my thing. I can't believe you're drinking tough already. So yeah, I feel like we've accomplished, quite a lot. But I'm doing another video, y'all, because I know some of you guys had some questions. River, don't be fattening the vlog. Y'all had some questions, put the questions that I posted. Y'all wanted to know like how things has been like since Sean's been here, like a little life update kind of thing, because there's a lot to update you guys on, really, the good, the bad, and the ugly. This is like the good right now, but obviously you know that we ain't this perfect all the time. This is not how we live all the time, like yay most of the time. Most of the time. Ravi, what's up? I can't remember. What's cracking? Ah? Hey. River down there in his own world, y'all. Just rolling back and forth, doing his thing. Right, Rivi? Yeah. Isn't he such a good boy, though? Very good boy. But yeah, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video, because yeah, I'll be sitting down and just kind of like letting you guys in and, you know, stuff like that. I don't know if Sean gonna be a part of that video though, but we'll see. You know, Sean like to just stay in the background, right? See how he's smiling?
Production crew.
This is the thumbnail guy. Yeah, I see a lot of the times when the picture, it's called a thumbnail for you guys that are new. They know the picture that, you know, for the video, it's called a thumbnail. I don't say thumbnail, I also say thumbnail. But Sean makes most of the thumbnail, like designing and stuff like that. And he's the one that even told me what a thumbnail was, because I didn't know I had to do all of that to get y'all to click, y'all.
Thumbnail. Thumb.
So you're gonna make the thumbnail for this video? Anyways, the toast that we did, that's gonna be the thumbnail. So you must know how Sean makes the thumbnail. One of these days I'm gonna record him making it so you guys can see the process into that. It's very quick. He does it on his phone, y'all. Yeah, you see why I have to talk, as Sean doesn't. If I don't talk, the vlog would never keep going, y'all, because Sean is like just chilling. Sean, you're not gonna like break into this vlogging thing. Like, it's been 3 months, you know? I thought you'd have been picking up the camera already, Sean, starting vlogs, you know? We need to do some more content for people as well, because I know, like, I always like y'all follow us around, like if you're going on the road or doing little things around the house, but I feel like we need to step up production, man, you know? So y'all could comment some video ideas. I'm gonna actually post that in the community. Give some video ideas, what you guys want to see. Y'all want to see some pranks though? Sean, you into pranks? I think about that, but it's like executing it all, and I don't want to be like fake. It needs to be like completely real. I mean, I don't want Sean pretend like, oh my god, Sean. And I think Sean doesn't really have like a outrageous reaction. Like a lot of, you know, being on YouTube, you have to be very extra, because a lot of these couples, you know, they'll be like, what? Where in real life, it doesn't warrant a what? But comment below, don't tell me what you guys would like to see on the channel, what types of videos, and you know, what are you interested in watching? What do you watch on YouTube? What would you like to see from us? You know, if you don't tell us, then we don't know what you like and what you don't like. So comment that down below. Anyways, Sean, you need to go fill up again, and I'm gonna go finish this because this is round 1 and I'm doing too much chatting and less drinking. So cheers, and I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow or something like that. Anyway, here, open. Giving y'all some.
Them alright, man.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm gonna make it different next time. I know what I'm gonna do.
Is it actually 7-Up in there though?
Yeah.
How come I didn't see the 7-Up? Oh yeah, I put it in the fridge already.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put a little bit of lime in it. A little bit of lime.
Lime?
Yes, give it a little bit of zest, a little bit of tang.
Lord, I don't know nothing about drinks. Hold this here, let me fix my hair. I don't know anything about liquor, you know. Like, how come I'm like, and I feel like growing up as well, like when I was young, like 18, and you know, I was always the one out of the whole friend group. I didn't know what alcohol, like how to order it, and I still don't know. Like, anybody asks me what I'm drinking,
I'm getting out of here now.
I be like, yeah, go ahead. When people ask me, babe, come back for my glass when you're done. When people ask me like what I want to drink, I don't know. Like, I always like tell my friend, I'll have whatever you're having, you know, because I have no idea what goes with what and how to mix this and how to mix that. But if you give it to me, you know, I'll drink it. And I'm very lightheaded as well, still, after all these years. So normally it's 1 glass, but obviously Sean won't make it as strong, I would say. So I could do another glass. So yeah, Anyways, see y'all in the next clip. I'm trying to find the right light because the sun just hit me from all different directions as I drive. Hold on, folks. Hey folks, it's the very next day.
What, the lever?
No, a thing right up top. You just roll it. It's like a round button. Well, not that far. You can't drive that far back.
I'm not driving.
Anyways, y'all, it's the next day, and as you see, I got my road dog next to me. Ooh,
2:41.
the motorway closed.
We're gonna reach here in like an hour. No.
Whoa.
We're gonna reach here in 41 minutes.
That's not happening then. I need to maybe make a U-turn. Guys, I'm actually headed to Asda. I'm actually headed to the supermarket with just ShéKayla and I. So yes, it's the very next day. The problem is it looks like the motorway is closed off and I'm not gonna get to my location until like 40 minutes time. That's not enough time because the way I timed it, I need to be back to feed River after his nap, you know. Hold on, I need to call Sean. So I found another Aldi that I'm gonna go to. The one that we started going to more often is actually in Windsor, and that's a new Aldi. It's a bigger one. The one I'm gonna go to now is closer to get to because there's no traffic and it's a smaller one. That's the very first one that I ever went to, and the one that I used to go to before. That's the one I usually go to anyways before I started going to the one in Windsor. Yeah. Also wanted to go to Asda. I don't know if there's like an Asda that's nearby that I can go to, because you know we normally go to Aldi to shop, but there's certain things that we can't get in Aldi, so we have to go to Asda for it. Like, you know, like Aldi doesn't sell like big bags of anything, so that we can't get like big bags of rice and, you know, those type of things. So, and world food items, you know, because we're from the Caribbean. If you're new to the channel, we go to Asda because we get all world food products. I see someone commented that they can get world food items from Morrison's and Sainsbury's or something. I've never shopped at Morrison's, but I mean, that's interesting. If you shop at Morrison's, can you comment down below? Because I've only been to Morrison's one time, and that's when I went to Gibraltar. When we went to get married, y'all. So if y'all didn't see that Gibraltar Morrison's video, feel free to have a search for it on the channel because it's there. That was a nice little vlog. Didn't do much editing there. It was kind of like filmed the whole time while we were in there. We didn't really edit much of that video because we use Sean's phone and he can like pause and then, you know, pause and then continue recording and all of that. So I love that. Yes, anyways, last night was so chilled. I don't even know, did we end up watching a movie? Because remember I said we were gonna watch a movie to end the night, but Sean was so tired after we had them drinks. We kind of like chilled for a bit. I think River occupied most of the TV, really watching stuff, and so we kind of went to bed a bit early when Sean said let's go in. Sean said let's go in, babe. I was like, really? He's like, yeah. He had a long day, had a long week, you know, and it was a nice little chilled evening, and yeah, he was tired, so I did go in. What I wanted to watch was The Crown, because you know there's a new season now on The Crown, so I was like, maybe I should catch up, you know, start watching the new season. But I was like, nah, I'm just gonna go in, and I was just on my phone, just on social media. So yeah, ShéKayla, how does this feel, girl?
What do you mean?
It's just me and you. back to just us now. No Sean, no River, just me and you. Original road times.
Mommy.
ShéKayla's like, Mommy, you're so old.
When are we gonna watch Black Panther Wakanda Forever?
Wakanda forever.
Mommy.
I just had to do that. I'm sorry. Whenever I hear Wakanda, I just have to like rest in peace, Chad. Oh my gosh. Sucks that he's not in the second film. He'll truly be missed.
They started to make it before he died, so he's gonna be in stuff like that.
Hope I get to. Oh my gosh. Please don't leave any spoilers under this video as it relates to Wakanda. I mean Black Panther, because we haven't seen it yet. It just released, so I want me and ShéKayla to go and watch it, but I don't know.
You can watch it in The View.
The View.
Yeah.
Where is that? In Reading?
In Reading.
No, any cinema that I'm going to. I want to go in Uxbridge in Odeon.
She watched it in Stains.
She went?
Yeah, she watched it in Stains and she watched it in 3D.
Okay, I would prefer to go to the Odeon to watch it, so maybe we can do that. I don't know though, ShéKayla, when. Oh my gosh.
Well, Sean can stay for like 2 hours
And go tonight, but I don't know about going when it's released, because it's usually like packed. So I don't like to go to really
I think Haley saw it yesterday, so
okay. I'll see about tonight or tomorrow, but I'm not promising you, so don't take this as a promise, because it's gonna be in cinemas for a while. Okay. But I'm dying to see it though. I can't wait to see it. I hate when bicycle people on the road just like holding back traffic. Like, come on now. Yeah, but ShéKayla, you sure you're allowed to watch Black Panther?
Mommy, it's rated 12.
Oh, okay.
I watched it in 2018 when I was 8 years old.
Wakanda forever.
Mommy.
But who took you to watch Black Panther? Me?
Yes, and
You were there with me?
Yeah, Vanessa was there and everyone was there. And I was 8, and it's rated 12. So
You were 8 when Black Panther came out?
Yes, I wasn't even allowed to watch it then.
Then how you get in?
I don't know.
You sure you were there, ShéKayla? Because
yes.
I cannot.
I watched it in the cinema with you.
I can't recall you being there.
I literally watched it in the cinema with you.
Huh, interesting.
The song that was playing, All the Stars by Caesar on the thingy, and I was like, oh, this was at the end of Black Panther. You're like, oh no, I don't remember. That's why she's so iconic.
Y'all, look at that. That's where I have to drive through. Please don't make me hit this car, because a lot of people do hit their vehicles there.
The lights aren't working. The lights aren't working. Yeah?
Oh, okay. Thanks. People saw that, like, the guy was trying to tell me that the lights ain't working. You know, when people trying to be nice and stuff, and everybody just kind of being an idiot about it. Look at all these people. When the heck am I gonna go? I have to go now. Yep, I'm going now, because, like, jeez. Oh, please don't let me hit my car. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Woo. Huh? Who's calling my mom? Oh my gosh, guys. My mother is calling me. So I will catch up with you guys another time. Can I fit here? I can't fit. Oops. Sorry. Ooh. Y'all, the roads just be so tight, you know? Golly. Anyways. Oh my gosh. What is this traffic I'm gonna come back into? Oh, Kayla. You realize that this is what we're coming back into?
It might be clear.
Oh my gosh, I hope it's clear in time. Oh my gosh. This is not good. I hate when the motorway is closed, because it just creates a lot of problems, you know? Because I'm sure all these people probably they've been diverted to come around here, you know, to drive this way, because around here ain't only full of traffic. I'm almost at Aldi. Hopefully it's not packed there. Not vlogging in there. I always tell you guys that, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog because I want to like be like Sean. I'm gonna be like Sean and just quick and in a hurry. All right, because I have my list. I know exactly what I'm going for. So yeah, and hopefully I'm gonna see if there's like a nearby Asda or something, because those are the only shops I go to, Asda and Aldi. Never shopped in Sainsbury's really. I've shopped in Lidl's before. Yeah, but tell me how Morrison's is. It Morrison's good? What the prices are like? Cause I don't know. I don't think I have a Morrison's near me anyway, like a big Morrison's. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. All right, guys. If you're still here in the video, have you liked the video? Did you give the video a big fat thumbs up? Because you know that helps. You know, when you guys like the video, and I say this all the time, when you like the video, it helps with the algorithm. Like it, watch as much of it as possible without double tapping, and subscribe if you're new and all of that. So if you keep coming back to the channel and you ain't hit the subscribe button yet, please go and do so, because it's free. And also drop a comment down below as well. All right, because that helps. It helps the channel grow, because YouTube will recommend the video, because YouTube gonna be like, this channel nice, people watching it, people liking up the video, people commenting. Why everybody commenting like that? That means something is good in the video. And what's exactly good in my videos? It's just the vibes. It's just, you get to see my real life, you know, raw and in the flesh as it is. You know, I don't sugarcoat anything. This is my real life. Y'all see me when I wake up in the morning. I keep saying that, like, this is me. My eyebrows, they ain't done, they're all bushy, need to be like, you know. But aside, because sometimes I'm just being real, you know, and it's good vibes over here as well, you know, nice and chill, no extraness and fakeness. And what, ShéKayla? What? Stop? Yeah. Why?
You said you're gonna end the video 5 times.
I said I'm gonna end the video 5 times. Okay, ShéKayla say, okay, I'm just rambling now. I'm gonna answer my mom. She's calling again. See y'all. I'm answering my mama. Guys, I am done. 1 hour later and my trolley is just... Ah! Don't knock me down. Ah! Kayla, help me. Oh my gosh, I can't manage. This trolley is too heavy. Goodness. I don't want to scratch up people's car. Yes, people. Oh, careful. Trolley is loaded. Can I fit around there? No. Oh boy, hold on. Ooh, folks, we're fully loaded. We spent about 1 hour in there, and now it's time for me to head out. ShéKayla is there. ShéKayla, say big up, big up, big up. There's this channel that I watch, and it'll be like big up, big up, big up. She's so not Jamaican, y'all. She's not even half breed right now. She's like full breed. So say big up, big up, big up, big up.
No, thank you. I'm not doing it.
Say wagwan. You don't have to do this, but say wagwan, people.
No.
Say wagwan, people. Anyways, it's been an hour, because guys, I actually shopped really quick, but I was actually waiting to cash out because they only had like about 2 cashiers working, so that actually sucks. That was the only reason why it took so long. So now I am going to, how fast is gonna get me to get home? 3:52. Okay, not bad. So yeah, I'm going because I don't want Reviv to be at home crying, y'all. So see y'all later. I don't even know what we're gonna cook. Oh my gosh. See y'all later, people. All right. Oh my gosh, guys. Good morning. It's like, today's Monday morning, and I did not finish the vlog. What's in my hair? I did not finish the vlog after Aldi. I didn't vlog at home or anything. Sean has been under the weather, guys. You know, he got worse over the weekend. You know, we did our little celebration and whatever, toast and little chill night in on Friday and stuff, but
And obviously you saw just me and ShéKayla went to the supermarket. Yeah, Sean has been really down, like cough. He had a bad cough, terrible cold, all of that stuff, shivering, shaking. Yeah, he was just not feeling well. Like, so I gave it to him and he got it even worse. Now her here River starting to cough as well. Sucks. So the whole family just down. ShéKayla is next. Kayla, you're next. I'm here parked up. We reached to the school very early. So we're just here waiting a few minutes. She waiting on her friends to reach so they can go inside. But anyhow, I decided to come back because I'm parked up. This random man, he's like, yo, and I'm looking at him through the glass and he's like, it's Junior. And I was looking at him like, do I know you? And he have on like a mask and I'm like, maybe I do, because maybe he looked familiar. And he said, yo, you know, I screwed on the window. Who tell me to screw down my window? Why did I screw down my window? Do I know this man? He's like, I'm me, a Junior. I said, Junior? He said, yeah, man, the singer from the radio. I was like, what? He's like, listen, sister. He's from Jamaica. That's when the Jamaican accent come out. He's like, beg you £2 now. I want to make one cut. I was like, yeah, I don't have £2 on me. Because I actually did look. You know, usually I don't entertain them because, you know, sometimes people, and even I told ShéKayla this, there's a lot of people who always like, they beg. There's a lot of people who, you know, they ask for money and they do this for a living. They do this for a living. Like, that's their job. Like, sometimes there's nothing wrong with them. But yeah, the way how the man just come and choke me down like, yo, you know, like he know me, you know, they get £2 now. He want to make a phone call and something about he lost some number from some phone and he want to call somebody. And I mean, he looked like he was being genuine. I don't know, but maybe not, because I don't know why he think he's some celebrity. But is he Junior from the radio? What? Like, okay, I don't know you. But that was the funniest thing. I had to laugh. It's just the way the man approached the car. Like, yo, you know, like if you ain't see somebody in a really long time. It's like, what the heck? Anyways, I never know if this is going to be a Friday vlog or a Sunday vlog. Yes, Kayla? Whenever it is that you're watching this, I hope you had a wonderful week. Or I do hope you have a wonderful week ahead. Stay blessed. Thank you for watching. Like the video before you leave. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And y'all be sleeping on them comments. Make sure you comment below, even if it's to say hi. Comment. Alright? Alright, people. See y'all in the next vlog. Bye. Say bye-bye, polar bear. Bye. She loved that little jacket, you see. Alright, people. See ya.